channel. So this video is a little bit different than my usual beauty content here on my channel, but I'm super excited for this one. It is SilkSilky unboxing video. They reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in doing an unboxing video for you guys, and I was like, heck yeah, I love some silk jammies, so of course, I said yes. This video is not sponsored. They just sent me the product free for review purposes, and they did send me a coupon code that you can use if you want to order from their website. You just use my name, Ronya, and you get 15% off. It's not an affiliate code, so please don't feel like, I'm making any commission or anything. Before we go ahead and get into the unboxing and the try-on, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And now let's go ahead and get into it. I'm super excited for this one, you guys. So here's what the package looked like. They did send me 6 different styles that I could choose from. I did pick one of them, and I did have to specify my sizing. So the nice thing about Silk pajamas is they're crease resistant. If they have like wrinkles, anything like that, you can just iron it, and they fit beautiful on the skin. They feel amazing on the skin. And technically, using silk on your skin, you put your hair in a silk bun, or you use a silk pillowcase so it reduces wrinkles. So technically, it's supposed to be good for you. So there's the bonus. So I did pick out my style. I did pick out my size. I did have to take my measurements. I took like my waist, my chest, my hips, and I had to choose between either a medium or a large. I decided to go ahead and go with the US large, to just make sure that it fits. I don't want it to be too clingy, and I would not be able to do the video for you guys. So here it is. I'm super excited. I'm super excited. Okay, it does come with like a guarantee, focus on silky life. It is created for you a prestigious, SilkSilky has created for you a prestigious silk sleepwear, 100% mulberry silk. And yeah, I guess they've been around since 2012. So that's really exciting. I cannot wait to show you the one that I picked out. So here's what it looks like. I went with, is it leopard print, cheetah print? One of the two. So this is what it looks like. It feels extremely soft. I honestly cannot wait to wear this guy. The trim is lace, both on top, on the, the shoulders, chest, and then a lace trim at the bottom. And it does have a little bit of a detailing, but it's not completely see-through. It's just a little lace detailing. I probably should iron this before trying it on, but I'm not going to. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on, and then I'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll talk about it. All right, you guys, I did go ahead and try it on, and I absolutely love it. It feels amazing, absolutely amazing. There is a little bit of give on like my waist area, but that's okay. I would rather have a little bit of give than it be super duper duper tight. Let me step back a little bit so you can see the length. So I feel like it looks pretty good. It's not super short, like I'm not, showing most of my bottom. I feel like the length is actually really perfect. I am 5'2", so I am on the shorter side. It hits right above my knee. I feel like if somebody came right now to my door, knocked on the door, and I need to go downstairs and open for a package or something, I'm not gonna feel super uncomfortable. Not that I would do that, but I'm not gonna be super uncomfortable, like, oh my gosh, I'm showing my neighbors, or I'm showing my mailman all of my body. It feels really nice. It feels absolutely amazing on my skin. I do have a little bit of a tummy, so excuse that, but here it is. Again, I'm 5'2". Typically in clothing, I would wear a medium or a large. Bottoms probably a large, medium up on top. I do wear 34 triple D for bra, and large for underwears. So that's for reference if you are curious or you don't know what sizing you would need. This is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and this try on. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to check out the description box for the company's website, as well as the coupon code if you are interested in ordering. I do want to let you know that they have 2 different sizing on their website. So they have the US sizing, and then they have the China sizing. The China tends to be a little bit smaller. Actually, it is 1 size smaller. So if you are ordering, make sure that you're ordering like your correct country sizing according to the measurements, I sized up and I think it ended up being a perfect fit. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this different video from me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.